In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up in Google One. We will walk through each tap slowly so you can follow along without worrying about missing anything. First, open the Google One app on your phone. When it loads, you should see the Google One logo at the top and a simple dashboard with your storage information. If you have more than one Google account on your device, the picture or initial in the top corner will match the account currently active in Google One. Give the app a moment to fully load, especially if your internet connection is slow, so all the options appear correctly. Once Google One is open, you should be on the Home tab by default. From here, click the menu icon and then Settings. The menu icon is usually in the top corner and opens a small panel with different options. When you tap Settings, the screen will switch to show a list of configuration choices, usually including backup, storage, and membership details. This is where you control how Google One behaves on your phone, including what it saves and how often. Now, in the Settings area, click Backing to with your chosen email. This line tells you which Google account will receive the backup. It usually shows wording like backing up to, followed by the address. When you tap it, a new screen opens that focuses only on backup options for that specific email. If you ever use more than one account, this is the spot where beginners sometimes mix them up. So always check that the address on this screen is the one where you actually want your phone data stored. With that open, select your specific data types to be backed up. You will see options like device data, multimedia, or SMS, each with a switch or checkbox. Device data usually covers things like app data and some system settings, so restoring it later can make a new phone feel familiar faster. Multimedia controls photos and videos from your device, which can take more storage but protects those personal files. SMS covers your text messages, which many people forget to secure until they lose them. Take a moment to choose exactly what you need, because these choices decide what gets copied to the cloud. After you have selected the data types, tap Backup Now to initiate an immediate wireless cloud synchronization. Once you tap it, you should see a progress indicator or status message showing that the backup has started. The backup runs over your current internet connection, so the speed depends on your network and how much data you selected. While it runs, you can usually still use your phone, and the status will update as sections complete. When the backup finishes, the screen will show the time of the last backup, so you know it actually worked. You have now set Google One to back up your chosen data types to the correct email and run a backup right away. If this helped you secure your phone with Google One, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.